Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. I will be sharing with you Legit app for free Tether USDT. But before I proceed, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button under this video, and turn on the alarm bell to receive notification of new video from TechMavi. If you have done so, let's move on to how to get free USDT. On this app there are 10 legit faucet sites tested and confirmed. These faucet sites require Tether Faucet Pay wallet address to claim free USDT. For the purpose of this tutorial I will just show you how to get Tether USDT wallet address. But if you want to know more about the Faucet Pay, either on how to withdraw your coins when you reach threshold, check out my previous video tutorials. To get your Tether USDT wallet address, click on Faucet Pay Wallet. Go to User Dashboard. On this page is where all claimed coins from those faucets are stored. And to claim from the listed faucets, you need Tether USDT wallet address from this Faucet Pay account. So scroll up. Click on Deposit button. Scroll down to Tether USDT wallet. Tap on it to be copied. Now that you've copied the address, go to Drawer menu, click on any of the faucets to claim free USDT. On this page you need Faucet Pay wallet address to claim free Tether USDT, and can be claimed every 60 minutes. Scroll down. Click on Get Started. Paste the USDT wallet address you copied in the box. Click on Login. Scroll down. Click on Claim USDT. You need to solve CAPTCHA before you can get free USDT. Scroll down and click on Claim USDT again. Solve CAPTCHA. Click on Claim USDT. We got free USDT finally. To withdraw from this page to your Faucet Pay account, click on Withdraw on the page. Here, on the page to withdraw your claimed coins, scroll down. Click on Withdraw button if you have reached the minimum withdrawal, and your coins will be deposited to your Faucet Pay wallet. Let's check out another faucet and get free USDT. On this page you need Faucet Pay wallet address to claim free USDT, and can be claimed every 5 minutes. So, paste your copied USDT address in the box. Scroll down. Click on Login. Scroll down. Solve CAPTCHA. Click on Claim button. Solve antibot correctly. Wait for 5 seconds while it counting down. Click on Get Reward. Finally, we got another free USDT. Before you can claim again on this page, you have to wait 5 minutes. So while we wait, let's check another faucet site. On this page also, you need Faucet Pay wallet address to claim free USDT, and can be claimed every 5 minutes. So, follow the previous steps to get free USDT. Solve antibot correctly. Wait for 5 seconds while it counting down. Click on Get Reward. And finally we got another free USDT. Very simple to use the app. Let's check out one more faucet. You need USDT address from Faucet Pay account to claim in this page also. So paste your USDT address in the box. Click on Login. Solve the CAPTCHA. Solve antibot. Click on Get Reward. And we got free USDT. To claim from others' faucets on this app, follow the previous steps. To get this app, check description under this video. And you can click on more to get more free crypto coins app, like Tron TRX, Bitcoin Cash App, Dogecoin and Litecoin app. I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop your comments in the comment section and do not forget to like and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.